Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some juicy grilled honey and yogurt chicken. So let's get right into the video. So for my ingredients, I have some Greek yogurt, some honey, coriander powder, extra seasoning, chopped garlic and onion, vegetable oil, and some grinded dried pepper. So let's just get right into it. So now I'm going to mix my marinade. I'm first going to add some Greek yogurt into a clean bowl, and I'm using about 4 spoons of Greek yogurt. You can use more or you can use less. It's based on your preference anyway. So after that, I'm just going to drizzle some honey into the yogurt, and after that I will add some vegetable oil into the yogurt as well, and then I will now season with my chopped garlic and onion and the extra seasonings. I have salt, curry powder, thyme, and my grinded pepper as well. I'm also going to be adding some coriander powder to it. I'm just going to stir this and mix it properly. And oh guys, I actually forgot to add some seasoning cube as well, so I'm just going to take 1 seasoning cube and crush that into the marinade as well. So yes guys, I am just crushing my seasoning cube into the marinade, and I will mix this properly, and once we're done, yeah, we'll marinate our chicken thighs. So guys, our chicken thigh is ready, washed, cleaned already. So I'm just going to pat dry it with a kitchen tissue, and once I'm done, I'm just going to add some marinade to the chicken. I will just spread the marinade, massage it a little bit, seal it up, and leave in my refrigerator for about 6 hours or more. But for me, I'm actually not going to be using this grilled chicken today, so I most likely will grill it tomorrow, so which is 24 hours, which is what I prefer actually. So yeah, once we're done, I will see you guys when it's time for us to grill. So guys, my chicken thigh has been sitting in the refrigerator for about 22 hours now, which is almost 24 hours anyways. So now I'm just going to line this on my grilling pan. I actually lined my grilling pan with a baking sheet to avoid the thighs from being messy anyway in the oven. So once I'm done setting the thighs on the baking sheet, I will just marinate again. I'll add some extra marinade to the thighs, and then I will grill in the oven for 40 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. So yeah, I will continuously repeat marinating, adding more marinade on the thigh while it's grilling in the oven. So guys, I will see you guys when our thighs are ready. So after 25 minutes, I brought out the chicken thighs and added some more marinade to it, and yeah, after that I just placed it back into the oven to continue grilling. And yeah guys, our chicken thigh is almost ready. Guys, I love how our chicken thigh came out after grilling. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.